Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
This is Fran. Welcome home everybody. Oh, here we are, one more Sunday and again, very hot Sunday. So today we're going to prepare a salad, very fresh salad. It's not our salad. We found this long time ago in internet and we have done it 1,000,000,000 times. We really don't know who. We've been trying to see who gave it to us because who.
I probably Fiji sent it.
Yeah. But anyway, we don't know who made it first. We have done our own version of it. But it's super fresh, super fast, super summery.
Yeah. So
Shall we?
Let's go.
Okay. Haha. Let me turn the camera around. Let's see. Nope. Yes. So what do we have today here? We have our vegetables and our little bit of fruits. Good. And
Oh my.
what do we need? So what we're gonna need? All of this is celery. It's, as you can see, I've cut it quite small. You have cucumber, same size. Then you have dates. Okay, everything's chopped. Hazelnuts, they are roasted.
Toasted, yeah.
And then we have some
Parmesan.
Parmesan cheese, okay? And then for the dressing, we're gonna need some Dijon old mustard style. You need some tahini. You need some olive oil, salt, and a little bit of lemon.
So you did a great job.
I did a great job cutting everything. I'm such a great Santa's little helper.
Yeah. So it's very quick because Fran already chopped everything.
The fun part is the chopping. Once you have it chopped, it's easy.
All right. So we're going to put the celery in small pieces. You see,
I've shown them.
small. And actually, you can try to make them bigger, but it's not so crunchy, not so nice. The cucumber, you can keep some part of the skin if you want, or not.
We have taken the seeds out.
Yeah, we don't like the seeds because they
Give you like
they are more difficult to digest, right? And then the amount of dates depends on you because they are sweet.
I think that's the fun part of this.
So actually, you start like depends, right? So you dress it and then you see what you want to do. Shall I put it all? Yeah. Okay.
I was giving her the look like, why aren't you putting them all? Okay. Then the hazel, that's the crunchy.
That's the crunchy part, right? And then you got sticky fingers
Yeah, because of
the dates.
and the dates.
And then you add this, but you cut it a little bit, right?
Yeah. So it's Parmesan cheese. If you have it already shredded, the things that we here at home, we buy the hot piece and we just shred it with a tomato peeler or no, with a vegetable peeler. How do you call this?
Yeah, vegetable peeler.
Vegetable peeler. So that's how we cut it.
Okay,
But
so
then,
it depends.
I think the
right.
important thing is the dressing.
The important thing is the dressing, right? So let me wash my hands.
Okay. As she washed her hands, let me tell you about our tours for this next year, this upcoming year. I'm gonna have 2 tours. We're gonna do the Camino de Santiago from Porto to Santiago, and we are going to have the Mediterranean tour from Valencia to Menorca to Mallorca. It's a beautiful, beautiful tour that both of them are amazing. One of the questions that I always get is if in the Porto to Santiago it's a lot of hiking or is it a religious tour? None of the above. We do, in the Porto to Santiago, we do 5 days of hiking and every day we walk about 5 miles, okay? Every one of these days. So, and there's a bus following us that will lead us to, in case you don't want to walk all of it, you can walk half of it. And is it a religious tour? No, we're not. It's just an excuse to discover a beautiful part of Europe and hike a little bit, but it's not a religious tour. Yes, you will have time to go to Mass if you want. Anyway, let me turn the camera around. There we go.
So what I'm doing is I'm using the zest.
You're zesting the lemon? Is that a verb?
Yeah.
To zest? I assume.
I don't know. Right. So it's more or less done. Wapa. And what do we need? It's let's say it's up to you, but more or less I put 1 nice
Generous
teaspoon.
and a half.
Yeah, well, you like this mustard, don't you?
Yes, I
It's
like
just the one you like. Okay, then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of tahini or tahin.
I think it's tahini. I think I said it wrong. Which is sesame paste, right?
Sesame paste.
You can buy it.
Tahin.
But in English, I think it's tahini.
I have no idea, actually. Sesame paste, right?
There we go.
And then you add about, let's say, 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil.
Some salt. I mean, there is already salt in here
Because of the
the Parmesan cheese. And then I'm going to, depends on the size of the lemon. This is big.
So with half a lemon.
Maybe half a lemon will do. Because
I mean, ever since we discovered this salad, it has been amazing. I mean, how many times have we eaten it? Like a million? I don't know.
Many times. We make this very often. I mean, I'm going to add quite a lot. Like half a lemon. That makes 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so there's a lot of lemon in there.
It's a lot of lemon, but it's up to you how much you use, right? And then you shake it.
Shake it like a bubblegum thing. That's a song from our youth.
Okay, and once it's mixed,
Do you give it a try or directly?
I can, but it's going to be fine. Let me reshake it because the tahini was a bit
Not dissolved.
No, tahini can be Tahini can be sometimes hard to dissolve, but tahini is super important because it gives it like this umami. This and the Parmesan gives like an umami flavor. So you use it whole thing, and then you mix it. What is it doing here? Look at that.
I mean, that's it. That's
it.
really it. Really a very simple, fresh. Yes, you need to chop the ingredients, but once you have them, it's an amazing.
Yeah, even if you chop it, how long did it take you?
Nothing. And it was almost half a celery. I would say that we put half of the weight of the celery in cucumber.
Yeah.
Double celery to cucumber.
And then about 6 to 8 dates and 50 grams of toasted nuts. You can use whatever. I mean, we've tried them all.
But we have tried with pistachios, we have tried with almonds. We prefer it with hazelnuts.
Yeah, hazelnuts or pecan nuts can be nice. All right, that's it.
That's it. Hold it. Let me change. So we are done. As always, as usual, we try to do very easy recipes for you guys. It's what we do when we have friends for home, to have dinner at home. It's easy, it's fast, and it's super delicious. And in this case, thank God, fresh.
And if you make it, send us pictures. So let us know what you put inside.
Yeah, if you change some of the ingredients, let us know. Everybody, thank you so much for joining us today. We love you all.
See you on Sunday.
See you next week.